How's it going, everybody? Jason here. Thanks for checking out the channel today. So no good production today. I'm on the road and am just sitting here on my laptop. So I thought I would share this quick tip because it might be confusing for some if you're trying to find out where your APIs are being used. So in Bubbles API connector, you can basically connect with anything and you can use your API as data or you can use it for actions. And it would seem intuitive if you go to the search option up here and you click on uses API, you should be able to see everything in this list, but that is not correct. So you are only going to see things in this list if that API is set to use as data. And it won't show anything where your API is being used as an action. So I had this kind of bite me in the arse a couple of days ago when I thought I had migrated everything from one API call to another and I deleted it, and now I've got 19 issues that I have to fix. So here's a quick example. I was replacing OpenAI with Claude, and I've got two implementations here in my API connector. One is a Claude single response and one is streamed. So my single response is when I have just a repeatable action where I want to summarize something with AI. I just want to send prompt and instructions and I just want to use that one response. So this is set up as an action, whereas streaming it from Claude is when I'm doing more user interaction and I want that value to be streamed live to the user. So that one is set up as data. So now if I go into uses API and I search for Claude, I only get the one that is set to data. And I was expecting to see both. So when I actually deleted my OpenAI implementation, kablamo, I got 19 issues that I have to deal with because I thought I had replaced everything. So yes, you can say this is user error, but what you need to do is you need to go to uses action type. And then now once I go to action type, I can now see that action for the single response. And then you can go ahead and search and find out where that is being used. It would be cool if they merged these into uses API because that seems like the intuitive thing to do. But if you have an API heavy application, this is probably going to help you avoid having 10 gazillion issues. Thanks for checking it out. Like and subscribe, drop a comment. Talk to you soon.